Oh, look at that nice looking pizza there. That is a take and bake pizza from a place called Papa Murphy's. They're not nationwide. It is a franchise, and I just love them. And today I really splurged today. I got sausage, pepperoni, green pepper, mushroom, and obviously cheese. And we're going to try this a little bit differently. Last time I put it on the middle rack because that's where it says it should be, pizza. But I've had a whole bunch of my good friend Jack said, hey, you know what's better to do it on the lower because it helps to brown up the crust better. So that's where we're going to put it today. We're preheating right now at 450. And as soon as she's done preheating, remember she's blinking. That means preheating. When it's done with that, then all you got to do is press the button. She'll go straight to cook. And we'll get that pizza on there. You keep on watching. All right, the preheat is done. We're ready to go on now. This pizza, I'm going to put it in there while I'm talking to you here. This pizza comes with a cardboard tray. And what's different with it, other than cardboard trays you get with your frozen pizza. See, now you just press the button. And I'm going to leave it at 15 minutes. But what's different, it's meant to be in the oven. So we'll keep on cooking here. Like I said, we're on the lower rack because my buddy Jack said the crust will crisp up better on the bottom on the lower rack. And that's what we'll keep on doing. You keep on watching. All right, that's 6 minutes, folks. Starting to brown up a little bit, but looking mighty nice. All right, we're going another 2 minutes. You can see the cheese is starting to melt and things are starting to bubble. I'll tell you what, and I can smell that green pepper. Oh man, it's smelling fantastic, folks. Keep on watching. All right, I did give it a 180 turn and things are browning up really nice. Oh, I'll tell you what, that's some awesome looking pizza. We're gonna go a couple more minutes, give you a look-see. You keep on watching. Oh man, there's our pizza. I'll tell you what, that's the way to do it right there. Thanks, Jack. You can see how it stands up on the bottom shelf. If you're gonna do a take and bake, nice crust. Oh man. It's awesome pizza. Thumbs up, leave a comment, folks. Appreciate you watching. I can't say it enough. Tom Horseman on YouTube. See you later.